prepared for the showers to stick around through the night tonight, and the winds will be around, but they'll intensify through the day tomorrow. The strongest winds will be during the afternoon. That's why tomorrow is an impact day. They could be damaging at times. Warmer weather will return on your Sunday. We'll start the day off dry, but thunder shower chances will rise as we get closer to sunset and stay up into the early overnight hours into very early Monday morning. But you can see the drops there on the camera lens once again as we have rain moving through the capital city. We are at 53 degrees with sustained winds at 11 miles per hour out of the southwest. But here it is, all lit up again on Live Local 8. Rounds of rain and at times possibly some embedded heavier rain in some locations like we're seeing right now into Cumberland County, into Dauphin County. May also get an isolated thunderstorm thrown in the mix as we go through the night. It's all thanks to a spinning area of low pressure off to our north, and little spokes of energy, kind of like spokes around a wagon wheel, are spinning around this, keeping the showers around, and the winds will be blustery to accompany that rain. So lots of clouds, windy conditions, scattered rain and showers through the night tonight. Wind gusts tonight will be up near 40 miles per hour with temperatures hovering in the mid to upper 40s. Tomorrow morning, we'll start to see the rain move on out, may get some peaks of sunshine as early as about 8 to 9 o'clock, but the winds will start to pick up to near 45 miles per hour, and they'll stay in that range through early afternoon as we'll see a little bit more sunshine during the afternoon, but it's not going to be warm. Highs will only be in the upper 50s to near 60 degrees. So the winds will be whipping through the afternoon. They'll start to drop after sunset, and then we'll see a light breeze as we head through Sunday. There is a wind advisory in effect for Mifflin County and also into Franklin County. It's along the ridge tops. Those wind gusts could be a little bit higher. Use extra caution if you're driving along I-99 out over the turnpike through the day tomorrow. Here's a look at the current sustained winds. These are winds over a 2-minute period. Right now, 21 miles per hour in Lancaster, but they're gusting to near 30 miles per hour at times. They'll continue to increase through the night tonight. Made it to 66 for our high today, just over 3/10 of an inch of rain so far. Add it all up, and this is the wettest April to date. As of 5 o'clock, we've had 3.98 inches of rain so far. Second place is back in 1973. So if it has seemed that this has been a wet start to the month, it certainly has, and we'll continue to see active weather as we head through the next 10 days. 52 right now if you're watching us in Lebanon, 53 currently in Carlisle. Much cooler back off to our west, just 44 right now in State College, 43 right now in Erie. So there's that area of low pressure. A couple of upper level disturbances will continue to rotate, keeping the chances for some showers around through about, I'd say, 8 to 9 o'clock. Then the skies will clear. We'll get some sunshine towards the end of the day tomorrow, but it is going to be blustery and windy. Winds will start to relax. It is going to be a calm and cool start to your Sunday, but notice as we go on into the evening hours, we'll have the chances for some passing showers and also some isolated thunderstorms, and some of these could be strong to severe with some gusty winds. Stay tuned to TJ and Mary Ellen through the weekend for updates. Temperatures do climb back up above average. We get a couple of dry days for your Monday and Tuesday. Rain chances will rise again late Tuesday night into Wednesday. Unsettled weather, cooler weather, wet weather will return as we approach next weekend.